Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Kubectl points to the correct cluster, and you have an admin token or kubeconfig. Once ready, deploy the official dashboard manifest if it's not present, and then run Kubectl proxy. This creates a secure local host tunnel. You do this because the dashboard prefers authenticated access over a direct public endpoint. Make sure to note the service type. If it's cluster IP, you'll use the proxy, and if load balancer, you'll note the external IP for later. Once done, open the dashboard URL through the proxy or the external IP and authenticate with your token or kubeconfig. You will see namespaces, workloads, and services. Click a deployment to inspect pods, logs, and events. Use the scale control to adjust replicas and edit manifests inline to apply quick fixes. You do these steps to iterate faster than Kubectl apply cycles. Also, make sure to review role bindings when you lack permissions. Insufficient RBAC is the most common blocker. You finish by hardening access. Create a dedicated service account with role bindings for the operations you need, and avoid cluster admin tokens in daily use. Once secured, monitor the dashboard pod logs and the Kubectl proxy output for failures. These logs reveal certificate, connection, or RBAC issues. If you hit a 403, make sure the token matches the service account and that the role binding grants the required verbs on the target resources. Finally, if the UI is unresponsive, restart the dashboard pod and re-authenticate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.